Hi everybody. Head valve, I would turn it around. When you see stay valves, it's a cylinder number 4. I turn around because I need for this intake and exhaust line stay on this side, for garbage go on the floor, not on a table. You can see it's too much garbage here. You can see on the box something stable. You see on last video this two valves condition, and this place too. It's a really big damage here. Right now I already turned it. You can see it's not have damage over here. I grounded this place on 45 degree, then make fast on the top and down part on 15 degree. For valve connect on this place near 1 millimeter, not more. You can see like here I turn it. I grounded this without special past, and right now I want to install this and check with the kerosene, like it's hold or need grounded with a special past, grounded compound. Right now looks like very good. It's probably this hold. It's more better than this too. This from cylinder number 3 intake and exhaust. It's on a little bit better than on a cylinder 4. I like to change this valves, but I not find it. What I find, it's have a different size. 4 millimeter bigger on the intake and exhaust on the 2 millimeters. I check many stores, then I find this on the internet, and I have a questions for seller why it's different, and somebody not have answer for me. Then I connect on eBay. One seller, he's sell parts for this engine, mercury 3.0181 CI, and I say him, what's different, why you sell valves and have a bigger than mine? And the seller say it's because you have too old head. It's head 1982. Owner before me, it's freezing engine, and probably when shop change him engine, install this old head. It's why I have a head older than my boat. And he say this valve make just on a special order. I ground it like this, and want to try like it's hold. Have leaks on the kerosene or net when not where I install this valve. Need to clean up next valve too and see what condition he's have. You can see it's have a good line where it's connect to another part of valve place for close, but not really good because have connection between valves and this line on the middle of a valve. It's like factory recommended. I little bit clean up exhaust and intake line, but need to clean up more better. You can see it's a little bit clean, but need clean more or be more cleaner. Then need to ground it this two when I had connect to cylinder and where intake exhaust connected to head for gasket stay more tight. On engine like rings and special place on the crankshaft looks like good, but need to open and check for make sure need change or not. When I install these two valves on the cylinder 4, I put kerosene here and show like it's a hold or not kerosene. First I want to check not ground it with a special pasta, just when I turn it like this. When kerosene have a big leaks, need to open and ground it with a ground compound pasta for hold good. Thank you, and say what you think it's hold or kerosene have a leak. Just with ground, not ground with the pasta. And see you on next video.